In order for you to understand this story, I must take you all the way back to 2019. Founded in 2019 in Denver, Colorado, Ristretto Electric had one very clear ambition.
So the question is, what on earth would the fastest and most powerful production e-bike in the market look like? Like this.
With a motor uniquely designed by CYC Motors, the Ristretto 303 FS was labeled a glimpse into the future. And today, one just landed right on my doorstep.
It's finally here, so I want to show you guys what is inside this box.
Oh my goodness. Look at that paint job. Look how beautiful that is.
We have to assemble the bike, and we got a box of, I'm assuming it's a toolbox with the tools, and then you do have to put on the front wheel. So
All right, so the moment of truth, you just have to turn on the battery right here. Got gloves on just because I know it's gonna be cold outside. So once the battery's on, then you come over here and then you basically just push. Look at that. It is in gear 0 right now. It goes all the way to 5. I'm not gonna do it in here just because if I mess up, then it'll go into that window. But as far as this, we've got a full battery. Yeah, I think we should go take it outside.